At Tennant, we're changing the way the world cleans, one innovation at a time. Tennant Company is a recognised leader in designing, manufacturing and marketing solutions that help create a cleaner, safer, healthier world. With our range of compact scrubbers, you can have floors that shine almost as bright as the technology that powers them. Say goodbye to the mop and bucket with the battery-powered T1B Micro Scrubber Dryer. This super compact machine delivers safe, efficient cleaning and cord-free convenience to even the smallest, most congested spaces. This walk-behind wonder produces streak-free results and low noise levels, with a cleaning path that's just 380 millimeters wide and excellent water recovery to help prevent slips when turning. It's also incredibly easy to use and maintain, with an optional lithium-ion battery for frequent use. The T350 stand-on scrubber gives you more scrubbing coverage, up to 2,800 square meters per hour. The high productivity rates and great maneuverability make this stand-on scrubber an ideal choice for large or obstructed spaces. Our T500 takes things a step further again, packing a giant innovation punch and delivering reliable performance that doesn't cut corners. Boasting one of the highest orbital down pressures for a walk behind, this model features multiple cleaning heads, customizable with disc, cylindrical or orbital heads to suit your environment and surface type. Battery life is greatly enhanced thanks to our SmartFill battery watering technology, while the control panel with optional LCD touchscreen allows you to manage everything from pressure to water flow and noise reduction. The T600 is the workhorse of scrubbers, giving you two larger capacity tanks, 121 litre and 140 litre, for longer gaps between drinks. The corrosion-resistant scrub deck plus polyethylene body forms a tough, hard exterior, with the option to fit an orbital head that removes the need for expensive stripping chemicals. Finally, the compact battery-powered T12 Ride-On Scrubber is all about productivity and pinpoint precision. With optional scrubbing side brush, you'll enjoy edge-to-edge cleaning and a heavy-duty ride that doesn't compromise on handling, for a 28% wider scrub path. The T12's 1 horsepower brush motor and 114 kilogram down pressure also packs a real punch, guaranteeing quality cleaning performance. All Tennant scrubbers can be fitted with our revolutionary EC Water or EC Water Nano Clean technology, scrubbing up to 3 times longer on a single tank. This innovative electroconversion cleaning technology uses up to 70% less water, saves refilling time, saves you money, and saves the environment by all but removing the need for conventional floor chemicals. It's just another way that we're committed to helping you create a cleaner, safer, and healthier world. For expert advice, detailed specs, or a live demo, get in touch with a Tennant representative today.